Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Rebirth Inside West channel.
Yay!
Today we have the Frenzy Pack from Jurassic World Rebirth, TORVONEUSTES. I've never heard of this dinosaur before. We're gonna compare to the Dino Tracker, Dakosaurus. Okay, guys. So we're gonna unbox this cool little thing here. Nice piece of work from Mattel. We haven't done any of these yet. So this Proceratosaurus, I have to return it. It is exactly the same thing. It's just a repack, so no, I don't need it. So I absolutely return it. So these three right here are brand new. Okay, so we're gonna take it out. Okay, guys. While I'm opening this, I'd like to say, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you, thank you. So it's a nice piece right here. Definitely a marine reptile, extinct reptile. There's the DNA scan. Okay. Really different from the Dakosaurus. You can tell. Wait, why is it blurry? There you go. Definitely different one. There you go. Really nice piece. I like the way they put the tattered on their flippers right there. You can move the head up and down. Turn the tail. Really nice. One of my favorites. Because of that, because it is a brand new species. I have to get at least 2 more. Look at that, huh? 2 more, guys. That'll complete it. Okay, also we have a new package here that came. We're gonna check it out. Okay, guys, it's not really a scaly thingy. Alright, so let's check our package here. We're gonna unbox it. Target. Alright. Alright. Looks like we have our Hammond collection. Troodon.
Wow.
And our Stiggy. Yay. Super awesome. The only thing I'm not digging here is I wish that they put the picture of this dinosaur over here. So it looks different now. Yeah, definitely these are new boxes packaging. It has the true FX. Like that Velociraptor tiger. So it's just their tail now, you see. Okay, I wish they stick to the older packaging, but yeah, that's how it is now. Troodons, did they appear in any movies yet? Look at the eye. Looks like they're blind dinosaurs. It says Troodons are small carnivores with big eyes, sharp teeth, and a poisonous bite. Wow. After releasing their venom, Troodons use their speed to take down much larger prey. Look at that. That is sick. And then the Stiggies. Okay. Wow, it's a nice piece. That's a nice, good-looking Stiggy right there. Okay, so back to our main guy right here. Uh-oh. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today, guys. In the next video, we will probably do the Utah Raptor. Our last wild roar. Just sitting back there. There you go. Has scratches on the lower jaw. Nice. Uh-oh. There's the dinosaurs too. Alright, guys. Thank you so much. Have a good weekend. Bye now.